5 of us here. Happy Tuesday. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Tuesday and enjoying their week. Today we're going to open some Cats versus Pickles. We have not got any pickles yet whatsoever. I've opened some in the past, and I'm going to go over the ones that we've opened so far, and I'm going to open 4 today. And we haven't got any pickles, so I'm hoping we can get some pickles. But here's the collector's guide. And we have El Purr, Spud, Castu, and Dragon Fruity. And they are so cute. They remind me of Beanie Babies. They each have the cat and the pickle on the back. And they all come with like their own little details and everything. They're all super cute. But that's Dragon Fruity. Castuna, I believe is how you say it. Got an oxygen tank. El Purr was, I think, the first one we got out of Cats and Pickles. Super cute. I love all of them. And this one was Spud. He's a little potato. Super cute. I didn't realize he was a potato. Oh, you got a ladybug on him. Super cute. So we're going to see if we can get some different ones today. And maybe a pickle, because we have yet to open a pickle. And there is a bunch. Comment below which one you guys would want to get. I like Shades right there. He's pretty cute. But I want a pickle. I don't really care what pickle. Oh, that one's a sunflower. Sunny. Puffer. It looks like there's more cats than there are pickles. Quilty Kitty. Chip. Let's see. Let's pick out a pickle we want. Dr. Jerkin is pretty cute. It looks like there's not very many pickles on here. Alright. I'm gonna need a pair of scissors. So let me grab a pair of scissors real quick. With these bags, I'm always terrified of opening or cutting them open. So let's get started. Like I don't want to cut anything. Alright. Let's see who we got. We got another kitty cat. And we got Fish and Chips. It's well wrapped. This cat's wrapped. Super cute. Got a little swirl on his head. Love it. So we got a different one. Let's see if the collector's guide's the same. It is. Still the same collector's guide as the other. Alright. That was our first one. So we can mark him off. That was Fish and Chips. Let's see if we can find him. I see Chip and Dip. There he is, Fish and Chips. And we got another one off our list. Alright. Looks like that one I had a little peek on. So let's... We finally got a pickle! It's a pineapple pickle! Super, super cute. Let's see what his name is. Pinnacle? Tart, yet sweet. Yay, that's our first pickle. Super cute. We're going to set him right there, and we're going to find him on the checklist. He's probably on the back somewhere. There he is, very top one. Pinnacle. There we go. Alright. Our next one is... Got a kitty cat. Reminds me of like a sailor. Let's see what his name is. Yep, Sailor. The cat's over the moon. cute pink cat. Love his little outfit. So we have another new cat. Let's see, where is he? Let's check the back. There he is, right there. Sailor, he, she, who knows. Alright, we got one more. Slide this guy out of the way. Alright, comment below if you think it's a pickle or a cat. Pickle or a cat. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Is it a pickle? Did we get another pickle? See who it is, because I have no idea. El Macho. I believe he's a pickle, because he don't got no tail. So yeah, he's a pickle. Super cute. So we got 2 pickles today, and we don't have any. No dupes so far. We got a nice little collection going. Love all of them. Let's mark El Macho off. I seen him somewhere right there. El Macho. We're doing good so far. You guys think we'll be able to get all of them? It's a lot. But so far we have 6 cats and 2 pickles. Super cute. They all just feel so soft and squishy. I love all of them. Alright, make sure you comment below which one's your favorite, because I want to know, out of all of these, which one's everybody's favorite. Alright, but thanks for watching another video today, and hope to see you guys again next time. Bye!